Wow. Thank you, Links. Any other definitions of leadership? Any other qualities, traits? Just round the table.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
So I always, I mean, this is not just one thing about leadership, but I always kind of thought that like leadership is being a motivator, like motivating, just a whole group of people, like just trying to get to that common goal, and where communication is the biggest key. Leaders communicate effectively, motivates, they're positive, they're creative. So I always kind of associated that with the meaning of leadership.
Yeah.
Good points. Any other points? Any other qualities, team?
I think being a leader is realizing that it's not about you. A lot of people want to jump into leadership roles saying, I want to be the leader, I want to be the leader, but that's not how you should be looking at it. I've noticed, in situations where I feel like leaders are appointed, you don't take being a leader. It's appointed to you from the people around you. By realizing that, it's not about you, it's about everyone else around you, and that you may have to take the brunt of certain situations so that everyone else can succeed. I feel like that's really what a leader does and should be doing.
Fantastic. Wow. Fantastic. So if we move to the next slide, I want to start with what leadership isn't.